Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today's question is really important. Can just talking on phone or sending a message be enough to take your wife back after divorce? Let's clear the confusion in simple words based on authentic Islamic rulings from Hanafi Fiqh. So first, what exactly is Rajoo? Raju means reconciliation or taking the wife back after a revocable divorce. That is, first or second divorce, not the third one. But here is the catch. It must happen during the iddah period, which is the waiting time after the divorce. In Islam, there are two ways of doing raju, by words or by actions. By words like saying, I take you back as my wife, or in Arabic, Rajatuki. Even on phone or message, if you clearly say that words, it is valid. By action, if a husband physically shows love or intimacy, like hugging or being romantic, that is also considered ruju, even without saying anything, but only if done during iddah waiting period. Now, the main question, if you just chat politely, like, how are you? Hope you are okay. Let's talk. That's not ruju at all. Normal chatting, checking on each other, it doesn't count unless the husband clearly expresses that he wants her wife back. So, just SMS or friendly phone talk doesn't mean anything legally unless the intention and words of Raju are clear. Now, can it be valid? Yes, if the husband sends a clear message like, I am taking you back, I want us to continue as husband and wife, that does count as ruju. But again, only if it is the first or second divorce and the idda hasn't ended yet. So, here is the bottom line. Just chatting or calling your wife after divorce without clear words is not raju. But if you say it properly, even on phone or message, it is valid. Always remember, don't play games with divorce and raju. These are serious matters in Islam. If you are unsure, always ask a qualified mufti or Islamic scholar. Jazakallahu khairan for watching.